Hello everyone! Today I really wanted to try and do a summery design because I really like doing summery designs on my nails, bright designs on my nails. The base colour is going to be this blue, which is Nails Ink Gel Effect. This is the most expensive nail varnish I own. I think this was £15, which is just a ridiculous amount of money. However, it is a really good nail varnish and I really like the way it stays on my nails. It doesn't crack or chip like how other nail varnishes often do. And then I'm just using a nail art pen in white with a really thin brush, which again, you can always just use a paintbrush in a normal white, with a normal white bottle of nail varnish. And then the same again, a random other nail art pen that I've got from somewhere in yellow for the centre of the daisies. This one is going to be quite a simple one, and to be honest, I think you could do it with any colour, whatever colour flowers you want, whatever colour base you want, however you want to do it to make it whatever colour you prefer on your nails or to match with a certain outfit if you do your nails that way. I hope these turn out well and I hope you enjoy the video.
Try forget about what you have seen last night. Please think about the sign you gave me. This one can't stop sticking my head for times and times and where are the keys to take these thoughts out of your brain, out of your mind, out of your scenes? To smile, 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 smile. Cannot see your eyes, your eyes, so I can't tell if you lie for nothing. Feels like you should have tried instead of constantly hide behind your glasses.
I hope you enjoyed that video and hopefully have some nice nail designs to show for it. Please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Leave any suggestions in the comments of any future designs you might want me to do and share any photos if you did have a go. Hope to see you all soon.